How to remove login password from Windows 11. So if you want to remove login password from your Windows 11, then what you need to do is you need to first click on your Windows button and go with your settings. Under settings here on the left side, you will have accounts. Click on accounts again. Scroll down and you will have sign in options. Click on sign in options. After that, you will have your facial recognition, fingerprint recognition, PIN, and your security key, right? So you just need to simply go with your security key and then go with manage, which is on the right side, or change. You'll have change option. So I'll just simply go with my PIN, go with change PIN, or you also have an option of remove this sign in option. You can go with remove if your remove button is clickable. You can go with remove and it will remove your password. Or go with change PIN, which is on the right side, and enter your current PIN. And under the new PIN section, you need to leave it completely empty. And then click next and finally click finish. You can always go back and re-add a password or switch to a PIN. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.